Hurry up, Roger. Grey's Anatomy starts in just 3 minutes.
Don't you think I know that? I'm trying to create a drink that matches the show in both taste and sinfulness. I'm calling it the Sandra... Oh.
I'd like to breathe her bathwater.
Now blend, my beautiful blender, blend! Oh no, what's happening? Well, I guess TV night's canceled.
Can't you just watch Grey's Anatomy with a non-blended drink?
There's only one thing I do with non-blended drinks, and that's drive. Any luck finding me a blender?
This one's pretty.
Pretty? Bonnie Hunt's pretty. This one's Bonnie Bedelia gorgeous.
Who's Bonnie Bedelia?
Die Hard's wife. Oh, it costs money. Hey, what does this mean, add to registry?
Oh, that's a bridal registry. When couples get married, they choose the gifts they want to receive from their guests.
All I have to do is get married by next week, and I can get my blender in time for Grey's Anatomy. I just need to find a really desperate girl.
Oh, then you should try J-Date. It's the place where Jewish singles meet.
J-Date, huh? Klaus, these girls don't look that desperate.
Click on over 35 and never married.
Jackpot! Oh, God, look at that one. Oh, God, that's the picture she chose? That's how she advertises herself? God! Scroll down. Further, I can still see her neck. Yeah, I can't wait till the family finds out. If they think you're a boob now. Oh, gotta take this. Hello? Well, shalom. So I had to fire Teresa, hire a painter, and get a new hygienist all in 1 week. Oy vey smear. But I do well, though. I make a living. I'm comfortable. Waiter! Never mind, we're okay.
Oh, Jacob, I'm so impressed. You seem to have it all figured out.
Well, I grew up around some very strong women.
Can I say, Jacob, your nose job? The doctor did fantastic work. You can hardly even notice it's there.
You like it? Dr. Birnbaum. I went in with a deviated septum and figured, while I'm here...
Boy, I have never told a guy about my nose job on the first date before.
It's a good first date.
What do you think about maybe doing it again?
Sharri, will you marry me?
It's Sharri, and yes! Oh, Jacob, you have made me so happy. Ma, you won't believe it. He asked me to marry him. Yes, the orthodontist. Brandeis. Reformed. Ashkenazi. Haven't seen the car. I know, is it great? We did it, Ma! We finally did it!
Oh no, my wedding ring. I must have left it at home.
Mommy, Daddy, come meet my fiancé.
Isn't he adorable?
Russell Rothberg, can I get you something from the bar?
Oh, I don't drink anymore. Or any less. Double scotch.
Jacob, I have spent the last 10 years preparing the perfect wedding for my Sharri. Now, I've already booked the crystal room at the Hyatt for next June.
At the risk of sounding a little meshuggah, it's really important that we get married by Sunday.
Oh,
Jacob, what's the rush?
It's, my bubby down in Boca. The doctors gave her 2 weeks to live, and her last wish was to be at my wedding.
But Sunday is such short notice.
Daddy, I want this.
Then you'll get it, princess.
We can have the wedding in my backyard.
Fantastic. I'll handle all the arrangements.
Mazel tov! Mitzvahs all around. I'm gonna top this off.
Ugh, this thing is giving me carpal tunnel.
I'll hold it, dear.
No, you don't know what you're doing.
Oh, there it is! Oh, my sweet. Soon we will be together. Soon.
Jacob! Jacob, is it warm in here?
It's warm, dear.
Why don't you say something to the manager?
Right away, dear. Oh, that's the caterer for my wedding. P.S. everyone, there's a wedding. There's gonna be chafing dishes, a carving station, and lots of Jews.
I'm sorry, are you saying juice?
No, Jews. Lots of Jews. It's a Jewish affair. I'll be impersonating a Jew.
So, you nervous?
A little bit. You gotta admit, it was a pretty crazy plan. Oh, wait, you're not in on it. It's here!
You excited, Jacob?
Of course I'm excited. 12 speeds. Well, nice meeting you, Mr. Rothberg. I'm out of here.
Whoa, the wedding's about to start.
Yeah, look, I lied. I'm not an orthodontist.
That's okay. You can work for my greeting card company.
I'm also not Jewish.
You'll convert.
I'm not even human.
Who is?
Oh, you're strong. I'm freaking out, Stan. I'm not marriage material, and she's so desperate. You have to help me. Oh, God, here she comes.
Maybe I imagine the mountain man. Maybe I am just a boob.
Uh-huh. Here, put your gun in your hand and shoot her. Look, Stan, I'm through messing around. She's at the second row of chairs. You have the shot. Take it. Take her down. Hi, baby. Happiest day of my life.
Daddy, do something! No one's looking at me!
I am gonna cut you like day-old challah.
Stop! No more! Jew jokes, I give up! I never meant your family any harm. It's just, I haven't seen a woman in over a decade, and I'm so desperate.
Desperate.
Mazel tov!
Stan, you really saved my tuchus back there.
When was the last time we went out?
Well, there was the waterfall.
I mean, really went out. I want to see a show. Ugh, forget it. I'm tired of looking at you. Go down to the lake.
Fine.
Fine! Go down to the lake! God forbid you should spend any time with me! Take a jacket! I love that man.